Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make or create game pass on Roblox. So first of all, go to roblox.com on your browser. So you can use Chrome browser. Now once you're here, so if you are using Android phone, just tap on the three dot and enable the desktop side mode. So this website will open only in desktop side when we create. So to create a game pass or make a game pass, tap on create tab. Now once you tap on it, it will take you to this new page. So after a new update, the interface has changed, the functions has changed. So usually the dashboard looks very different before the update, but now it looks completely different with different options. So if you want to create a game pass in an experience, just tap on this image, and here you have to tap on menu button and choose this option, associate items. Fine, so just tap on it. Now if you want to create game pass, just tap on passes option. So I just tap on, let me go back. Now tap on passes and now tap on create pass to create game pass. Now upload the image here. So I'm gonna upload this, or now you can enter the name here. So I'm gonna know so now you can enter the description, but it is not mandatory. So now you can tap on create pass to create game pass. Now we know that after creating pass we used to do configure. So in the new update, guys, there is no such option. So if you want to configure for the sale, then you have to tap on it to configure it. Now you have to tap on menu, and in menu you will find this option, sale. So you have to do it manually here. So tap on it, sale, and enable the item for sale, and you can enter the price here. So I'm going to enter 80 Robux for it, and now you have to save changes. So tap on it to save it. Now your game pass has been set, enabled for the sale. So first of all, the Roblox can review this image, review your game pass before allowing it to appear on the please donate. So after this, after creating game pass, you can go and set up your stand in please donate. So hope you like it, hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And your will be listed, your game pass will be listed here. As you can see, I have created lots of game passes here. So if someone buy your purchase your game pass, you will get 70% of it. So you can use it as a donation button in the please donate. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new on channel. Till then, bye bye.